Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy using a home machine. First, make sure your cotton candy maker is clean and ready to go. You'll need granulated sugar, and you can add special floss sugar or hard candies for different flavors. Always read your machine's instructions for specific safety and operation guidelines. This ensures a smooth and delicious experience from start to finish. Once your machine is clean, it's time to preheat it. Turn it on and let it warm up for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the heating element to reach the optimal temperature for melting sugar. Next, carefully add 1 or 2 scoops of your chosen floss sugar directly into the center spinning head. Be careful not to overfill it, as this can cause issues with the spinning process. As the machine heats the sugar, you'll soon see delicate strands of cotton candy beginning to form. These wisps will start to fly out from the spinning head. Take a paper cone or stick and hold it horizontally, just above the bowl. Gently rotate the cone, allowing the sugar floss to wrap around it, building up a beautiful, fluffy cloud of sweet goodness. Keep spinning until you have your desired size. For best results, try experimenting with various hard candies or flavored floss sugars to discover your favorite combinations. After enjoying your delicious treat, remember to clean your cotton candy maker thoroughly. This prevents sugar buildup and ensures it's ready for your next sweet adventure. Also, for some great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.